Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you guys how I make my street corn. Let's get started. You're going to need your corn, your skewer sticks, chili powder. You can use tahini or this one. You're going to need a spatula. You're going to need some mayo. You're going to need some cheese. Now for the cheese, you can use Parmesan or cotija. And some Takis. Boil your corn, some water for about 20 minutes. I'm gonna start with half of the bag. Just if it gets stuck, you gotta help it out a little bit. You might need to do that a few times. But it's really worth it, I promise. There's some big pieces still in there. And that's it. Just set it aside while the corn cooks. So, grab it with your spatula. You start out with mayo. Geez, I couldn't find bigger skewer sticks. And a bigger spatula. Coat that baby up with your mayo. Look pretty. Put it in your cheese. Yes. And then the best part. Dun, 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 dun. Of course, it doesn't stick as much. Huh? Coat that baby up. That's a Takis one. Let's do the regular ones. Coat it with that mayo again. How satisfying is that? Mm-hmm. Then get that cheese on there. I'm trying not to make a mess. Okay, smooth that away. And then grab your chilito. And just sprinkle as much as you want. Aren't these easy? that's it, guys. Wow. Which one should I try first? Takis. Ready? For the big bite. Mm. 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 Delicioso. Mm-hmm. Crunchy, sweet, really, really good. Mm. And let's try the most popular ones. I know they add some limon and like butter, but I like mine like this. Let's go. I love corn. I love sweet corn. It's like a party in my mouth. Mm. I have 2 corns. I have 2 corns. Hey, hey, hey. Mm. Party in my mouth, guys. Mm. 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 Mm-hmm. I have to let you guys go now. I have to finish up my elotes. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys hit like, subscribe, and hit that notification button for more recipes and challenges. Let me know what you guys want to watch. If you guys have a request for a recipe or a challenge, let me know in the comments below. See you guys on my next video, guys. Bye.